Hey guys, this is your boy Ender back with another video, and today we're going to be battling my custom 3D printed Beyblade, Agèma Aries Amber. We're using Quatro because the Acropolis broke, and then we're going to be battling Guilty Longinus, Karma, Metal Destroy. We're going to do the first bay, the 15 points is the winner. Aries is in left spin, and let's get started. Ooh, right, wrong launch. Okay, first point goes to Guilty Longinus. It almost bursted. Okay, not bad, not bad. Make sure the stadium's still in view. There we go. It's slipping and sliding on this little cover I made. Aries is in 2 points, Guilty Longinus. Freeze makes the shoot. Okay, 2-1. Aries is starting to catch up. Free 2 and shoot. That was a mislaunch, so it's still 2-1. Oh my god, another mislaunch? Okay, I'm gonna stop launching flat. I keep KOing. Okay. Guilty Longinus, so that's 3-1. I'm gonna switch to ball tip. Pretty soon. Okay. Come on. Damn, okay. That's 3-2. Make sure the stadium's still good for y'all. Okay. 3-2 and shoot. Yeah, this is a pretty exciting battle. Metal on metal. Okay, that's 3-3. We're all tied up now. 3-2 and shoot. Okay, 4-3. Longinus takes the lead. To it. Ooh. Okay. 5-3. Yeah, Guilty hits really hard. Okay. Try to keep the stadium from sliding out of camera view. Oh man, okay. 6-3. I'm going to switch to the Unite tip. So we can get some more movement. Self KO. Still 6-3. Pull that back like that, and there we go. Oh man, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video reviewing like bursts as a whole for the generation now that it's ending soon. Another self KO, so still 6-3. Agèma's a little bit hard to control on Quatro since it's so tall. Okay, that's 7-3. God, it looks like Aries just lost a giant chunk of it. I have no idea where it went, but look how exposed it is now. It's like flat right there. Okay. The battle continues, so 7-3. I'm going to use the stamina tip now. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Let's go. We bursted guilty. Okay. Okay, we can work with that. So that's 7-5 now. Okay, we're catching up. But let's keep stamina tip going. That was kind of nice. Free swing. Awesome. Okay, 7-6. We're catching up. Guilty can't handle the smoke. Apparently, stamina, the cone tip's helping. Okay, spoke too soon. We're at 8-6. Yeah, 8-6. Okay, not horrible. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 8-7. Readjust this. There we go. Not bad, not bad. Free throw. Double self KO, so no point to. Oh my god, I need to shut up. Okay, it's still 8-7. That's all you need to know. Free throw. Okay, 9-7. Free throw. Okay, 9-8. Aries is catching up again. Good grief. Been struggling a little bit. Okay, 10-8. Longinus took the lead again. Shoot. Okay, 10-9. Aries is once again trying to catch up. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Let's go. Okay, we're finally caught up. It's 10 to 10. Basically, I started weak launching Aries, so when it makes contact with Longinus, instead of like recoiling really heavily, since it's spinning slower than Longinus, it's like absorbs it even though they're both in left spin. It's like a shock absorption method. And it seems to be paying off pretty well. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Okay. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Come on, Aries. Let's go, Aries with a spin finish. So it's 10 to 11. We finally have taken the lead after this entire match. Okay, cool. 10 to 12. Aries is still in the lead. Awesome. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Okay. That is 10 to 13. Aries is still winning. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Okay, that's the longest. So that is now 11 to 13. Free 2 and go shoot. Ooh, okay. That is now 12 to 13. Longinus keeps almost bursting. It's on like it keeps ending up like right there, but it locks before it can actually burst. Okay, so we're at 12 to 13. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Okay, that is 12 to 14 now. Aries is about to win, so I'm going to switch to attack mode just to have a cool finale. Unless Longinus somehow beats me, which is possible for just a shoot. Self KO. Let's try that again. That's why I hate using extreme light tips. Still 12 to 14. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Come on. Yeah, okay. That is 12 to 15. Agèma Aries wins. That was a pretty fun battle. I liked all the big collisions. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.